Every year, millions of people seek affordable repair options to keep their vehicles on the road. In the U.S. alone, over 284 million vehicles are in use, highlighting the need for not only economical repair options, but environmentally sustainable ones. Every one of us has an important role to play in reducing waste and pollution. Cardone Industries has been disrupting the take-make-waste model using principles of circularity and innovation. For over 5 decades, Cardone has been at the forefront of environmental stewardship, taking used, worn, and damaged automotive parts that would have otherwise been sent to landfills or scrapped. We remanufacture these parts to ensure they meet or exceed the original performance, while also saving the consumer money on repairs. Our sustainable operations go beyond recycling, helping both the consumer and planet. The remanufacturing process uses about 85% less raw materials and a fraction of the energy, about 15%, compared to making new parts, all while producing high-quality products at lower prices than new, helping cost-conscious consumers keep their cars on the road. Our business is what the circular economy is all about. With operations across North America, Cardone Industries is not only committed to environmental stewardship, but to amplifying the voice of automobile owners' right to repair their vehicles and to do it with remanufactured parts. Consumers save 10 to 40% on repairs with remanufactured parts. A part is purchased from an auto parts store and installed by a mechanic. The used part, known as a core, is returned to the store and ultimately to Cardone. After remanufacturing the used part, Cardone sends it to a store where it will be resold. This is a used turbo, or a core. Once the core is removed from the vehicle and delivered to our facilities, we begin the remanufacturing process. Every unit is first disassembled by hand and cleaned. After cleaning, the components are inspected and parts that do not meet the specifications are repaired to original equipment manufacturer fit and function or replaced. Electronic components are remanufactured and tested, ensuring 100% performance. Once repairs are finished, the turbo is reassembled to meet OEM fit and function requirements. A final test is performed on all installed sub-assemblies. The remanufactured turbo is now ready for sale and installation back onto a vehicle.
The customer will get the same OEM product at a fraction of the cost.
Quality is at the core of our industry. Remanufacturing processes are defined by several initiatives and boards, ensuring quality standards are met and certifying that the remanufactured parts meet the consumer's needs and expectations. Each part Cardone remanufactures passes rigorous testing before leaving our facilities. Remanufacturing benefits more than consumers and the planet. Our labor-intensive process leads to the creation of numerous excellent jobs in our communities. Cardone proudly employs over 3,000 diverse men and women across North America, and they remanufacture over 40,000 unique parts. They are the driving force behind Cardone Industries' remanufacturing revolution.
Cardone means more than a job to me. I think Cardone means like a second home for me.
Cardone give me the opportunity to grow and develop and keep my successful long career here.
For me, Cardone is second family.
I came to this wonderful company and they give me a chance to get involved to American style, American life, to support my family. And the most important is like to be who I am today. I love Cardone Industry and I am proud every day to work for Cardone Industry, to be part of the culture that Cardone brought to us and to everyone who's working around us. It's my life, it's Cardone.
The remanufacturing industry needs your support to continue to enable a flourishing circular economy. Encourage others to use remanufactured products, starting with their vehicles. Ask your mechanic to use remanufactured parts in your vehicle repair. Support the Right to Repair initiative. Let your state and federal representatives know we need more remanufacturing-friendly legislation and policies for affordable products that contribute to healthier communities and a healthier planet.
Through remanufacturing, we have the ability to save vehicle owners money, create more great jobs in North America, and make significant positive impact on the environment. The circular economy is in a fragile state, and we need to act now. This requires every one of us to shift our thinking from new is better to resourcefulness is best, and the option that saves money, limits my carbon footprint, benefits the community, and doesn't sacrifice quality is better. This also means our government leaders should focus on providing incentives that help remanufacturing thrive. We need to be able to hire, train, and retain workers so we can meet our production goals, operate efficiently, and provide price-competitive and affordable products for vehicle owners. If you would like to learn more about Cardone Industries and remanufacturing, or if you're interested in joining the team at Cardone Industries, visit cardone.com today.